So last class we were seeing about horticultural societies, isn't it? And what was the last thing? Can I just go through it once? So some examples you have written, no? Yahamama, tribes of Amazon. Apatani also you can write, Apatani tribe, some Nagas. So they are growing a variety of crops, so please write. Some important societal features include low to moderate population density. Number 2, low to moderate community size. Sedentary, that means they settle at one place, sedentary, but may move out of that place after some time. Sedentary. Nomadic, opposite of nomadic is sedentary, that means settling at one place, but after some time they are moving out of that place. So usually sedentary but move out of that place after some time. Infrequent shortage of food, that means fruit shortages are rare. Informal political leadership, few craftsmen. Least wealth differences. Minimal trade exhibits some incipient type of stage or type of social differentiation. Please, next paragraph you read. Horticultural societies are separated from shifting cultivation in anthropology, as the latter have gained more prominence across different societies in the world. At present, number of communities practicing horticulture have significantly come down due to non-tribal contacts, modern administration, globalization, etc. So that is about horticultural societies.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology optional foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by N.P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.